Right, what's going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Aren't you lucky? And this time we're in a house. It's full of stuff. There's mental health stuff everywhere around the house, so I'm going to call it the mental health house. Let's get into it. Nice and simple. You've seen it firsthand as I see it. Well, I haven't seen it done in any of the forums, to be fair, so again, it's another one that's not very saturated, which I like. It's all about positivity vibes in here. You know, stuff for stress release, stuff for anger management on the wall, which is quite sad, really, you know. There are some barns opposite. I think I spotted an old Volvo in there. Main road, as you can hear. Little 2 pences. I'm looking forward to have a good little look around and just take you on the journey. And we literally are walking into someone's life. Give me joy in my heart, keep me singing. Joyful stuff. Sad, it's got a pretty suppressing feeling in here as well. It feels heavy. Stuff hanging up. Oh, there's the stairs, let's start upstairs. Alright, bit of hoarding going on as well by the looks of things. Wow, where do you even start? Lovely old dresser under all that stuff. Let's go upstairs first. I'm exploring with my gorgeous other half as well, so she's downstairs, so we'll let her have it first. We'll get upstairs. Wow, how small these little cottages are. I just don't fit in them, they're not made for me. So it's a bit shaky, there's cobwebs everywhere. That's what I'm walking into, wow. Smell as well, yeah. Jeez. Basketball, Budweiser. Unbelievable. Oh, it stinks in there, jeez. All original light switches, I do believe. Wow. It's like a little gap round here. I'm guessing this is the one where he would have been staying in. A little fire. Lovely smell of mould. Wow. Jeans, bless them. It makes you think though, with people living in these, you know, were they living in these conditions when it's falling apart like this, or has this just happened in the years since they've left you? Alright, let's try and avoid all addresses so we can keep it a little bit hidden. Ford keys. Guessing that was part to do with the cars over there, because I knew there were a couple of cars there at one point. But only seen the Volvo at the minute. Yeah, he's living out this room, wasn't he? Floor's not too safe. There's red wines, can't fault it. Microwave. A little self-sufficient up in this room. Jeez, it's falling apart. Oh, chest of drawers. I don't even want to touch them because of how fragile they are. I don't want it to fall apart. Unbelievable. All the jeans. Just bags and bags of stuff. He's done his shopping, just left it there. That's imploding myself. Alright, let's get it back downstairs. Sorry if it's noisy or jumpy. I'm literally trying to squeeze through gaps. Did I really fit through? Literally flaking the walls as you go with it. Right, just going to look for the kitchen because that's what we haven't seen. Look, I think that's a bank account. £1,223 in there. And what remains of the kitchen? Another bloody squeeze. Kitchen slash bathroom, more red wine. There's cobwebs everywhere, I can't even explain to you how itchy my face is from walking into them. And there's flies everywhere in here. And this is in winter, can you imagine what it's like this summer? Jeez, there's the bathroom, what remains of it. Alright, that's the inside. Let's have a look at some of the outside stuff if we can get it, 'cause it's a bit of a jungle. And hopefully even get in the barn to see the Volvo that's over there. There might be a couple more. I'm not sure. Jesus, there's stuff everywhere. But there we go. Literally wasn't kidding when I said it's like a jungle over here. Huh? Little barn area, like workbench. So we all are. This is the problem. Stingies everywhere. No matter where you look, they're dangling. And then the barns, literally over there. So I'm hopeful we can get into them and see some of the cars. I said a bit of luck. Right, so you sit comfy watching the video. I'll make myself through the jungle and we'll pick it up when we get over there. Right, we made it across the side. There's a couple of cars still around here. On maps from 2011, it was full of cars here, but they've gone. There's a Peugeot pickup here. It's got to be quite rare these days. Still looks pretty solid, to be fair. This is what I did spot. That's the Volvo. That's pretty cool. 340 GL 1.7. Now there is potentially something else there. I am not going through it because it is nothing but stingies and I'm already bleeding. Just look at this. How cool is that? Awesome. Such a nice find. So there we go. That's the end of the depressive house. That's what I'm going to call it. Scrap mental health. I'm calling it depressive because it has got a real negative feeling up inside it. Here's a couple of cars. Yeah, take it easy if you're exploring out there. You've got a car coming past now. And yeah, peace and love as always. I'll catch you next Tuesday. Boss out.